guys, Susan here. Welcome back to my channel. I woke up this morning to a surprise. My husband woke me up and said, your Pampered Chef stuff is here. 3 boxes, guys. 3. 14 pounds, 17 pounds, and 5 pounds. Like, what? Anyway, I recently hosted an online party for Pampered Chef through my Pampered Chef Consultant, Bonny Sanderson. Big shout out to her. She is fabulous at Pampered Chef, being a consultant, hosting like parties, you know, online. She does all the background work, hosting games and things to get conversations started. She has product announcements, all the new stuff coming out, recipes, demos. It is so awesome. And Pampered Chef stuff is quality, okay? I have had Pampered Chef products in my kitchen for years, and they have paid me back time and time again, and they're my go-to products. So I am so super thrilled. I have 3 boxes here, guys. You're gonna have to stick around through the whole video because the one in this box, I believe, it's marked fragile, so I'm taking that as a cue. The stuff in that box is to die for, like seriously. So let's start unboxing this stuff. I'll start with this one here. And got a trusty Pampered Chef little mini paring knife thing going here, just to cut through the tape. Ow, that is sharp. So watch your fingers. Cut away from yourself, Susan. Away. So you don't get cut. That's a good plan. Okay, so anyway, as I said, I've recently hosted a party online, and anybody can order from these things from the comfort of their own home, and you pay via like credit card or your bank account or what have you, and the product is shipped directly to you if you're in Canada, promptly. I mean, you pay for it and it is sent. You don't have to wait for the end of the party, so that's bonus. So during the party, we got a few people posting pictures of their arrival of their stuff that they ordered, and it's so encouraging to see how happy they are. Okay, in this box, let's see, there's a couple of items. One is Pampered Chef Mini Serving Spatula. Item number 2622. It's metal and a plastic handle, I believe. Stainless steel blade resists rusting. Beveled edge easily slips under cookies and appetizers. Dishwasher safe. Wash prior to first use. Of course we will. Okay, there we go. You ever have trouble getting into like a dessert pan and you got a little square you got to take out of there? This thing is perfect. Look at that. Nice and sturdy. Okay, so you can dig in and pop out a little square. You don't have a big clunky spatula like you do for frying. I always save the paper because sometimes it can give you some really good information on care for it or warranties or what have you. Okay. The next item in this box, and the last one, it's empty now, is modular sheet pans. Now these are cool. It's item 100597. Modular sheet pans are really a cool idea. If you've ever made something in the oven and it calls for several things at different timings, okay? So like fish and chips and roasted veggies, okay? They're all going to time out differently depending on type of fish, etc., 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 right? But they all have to go in the oven. Well, you fit one traditional baking pan in the oven, you have to put anything else on another rack, on another sheet, etc. So it's not ideal, okay? So these things, look at this. Look at this. Okay. They nest together like you see, okay? Modular sheet pans. They are, English please. Where are they? There's all kinds of stuff. Wash before using first time. Don't soak the pans. Make sure to dry completely after washing. Okay. Pans are safe to use in conventional ovens, convection ovens, and broilers. Higher temperatures may cause flexing. Once the pan cools, it will return to its normal shape. Don't use pans with extreme temperatures. Well, who's going to cook at extreme temperatures like that? Or they'll warp. Let pans cool to room temperature before cleaning. Pans are freezer safe. Don't use aerosol non-stick sprays. They might create a sticky, difficult to clean residue. Yeah, so there are care factors. I mean, with anything, you need to take care of them the way they need to be taken care of, right? That is a solid pan. I can't tell the weight. That is quality. Pampered Chef, right on there. Okay, so these modulars are two sizes. Two the same and then one bigger. So they nest together like this. Okay? But if you look this way, they add up to a full sheet, right? So this way you can put in your main dish in the one. You could put your, say your roasted veggies in another, and put your fries in the other. And it all fits in the same rack in your oven, and you can time them exactly as they need to be timed. This is such a neat concept that, you know, it was on my wish list. I had to have them. So, yeah, modular sheet pans. This is heavy. This is really nice. Really nice quality. I expect to use them for years. And as I said, take care of them, right? As you get used to how to use them, etc., you just take care of them. That's all there is to it. Okay, next box. Let's see. This is another one. Okay, this big one square. That's heavy too. Oh boy. Okay, next box. Box 2. Remember, stay tuned. I'm opening the main one last, and you're not going to believe what you see. Okay, this one. Wow! It's full of stuff. Thank you for your order. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I'm not going to read that packing list because you're going to have to wait. I'm being mean. That's okay. Okay, so let's see. Where do we start? Oh, good grief. Okay. Okay, this is Pampered Chef Apple Spice Beer Bread Mix. Is that cool or what? 16 servings makes 1 loaf. Ta-da! Pour into greased. Very simple instructions. Like it's like preheat oven to 350. You stir until smooth. The package of the mix and 12 ounces of your favorite beer, non-alcoholic beer or carbonated drink. Optional, 1/4 cup of diced apples. Pour into a greased loaf pan. Just simple, okay? All in one, ready to go. This is going to be really neat, especially with the holidays coming up. It's going to be something new. It might become a new tradition. What do you think? Okay, there we go for that. What is this one? Okay, that's gotta wait. Okay, here's another thing. Alright. I know what's in the other box, so I'm making some things wait. Okay. This, I've been looking forward to getting this one too. Stone Loaf Pan. Okay. It has been proven that baking in a stone loaf pan increases the loft of your loaf. Simply because the stone retains the heat. Okay. So, it's going to cook it more thoroughly and promote the rising process. Oh, wow. Okay, stoneware collection pamphlet as always. You'll probably have seen it on other videos of mine. Getting started with your stone, how to get it to season in a plastic scraper. I have a few of these now because I have a few stone products and they each come with one. You can also buy a pack of these separately if you wear yours out. But it's to scrape off the food residue because these don't get washed. This is how it's seasoned. You start out with high fat content items that you bake, and that fat gets absorbed into the stone and helps to season the pan and make it non-stick. So what you do when you're done cooking and you want to clean it, you scrape this to get the food residue off, and then you clean it with just straight water, which is great. I mean, you're baking this, so there's no worries about bacteria, etc. This is awesome. Okay, there we go. There's that thing. Whoops. Okay, just have to put it on my counter properly. Alright, what's this? Okay, that stays. What else have we got in here? Okay, we have Korintje, Korintje Cinnamon. This is a super spice. Gluten-free, no salt, sugars, or anything. Is cinnamon, guys. This is a bestseller every year. It's seasonal, so it only comes out this time of year, basically, when people are making like things like apple pies and pumpkin pies and holiday baking that calls for cinnamon. This is the cinnamon you want. It may seem pricey, but it's also cinnamon as a rule is pricey as it is in the grocery stores, and this will again, it's like Pampered Chef, anything. It'll pay you back in spades over time. So a lot of people want that for their holiday. Okay, we also have holiday scraper. Oh, cool. Holiday scraper. You can never have too many scrapers. And the silicone that Pampered Chef uses is awesome. And I love that this one is red. Red's my favorite color, so there you go. Holiday scraper. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Baking Spirits Bright. And then the back is just snowflake pattern. That's kind of cool. Nice wooden handle. Very smooth, very sturdy. Again, it's safety and use and all that stuff, cleaning, how to clean it. Like, they tell you everything you need to know to take care of it. This is item 100633. I will list all the item numbers and stuff in the description box below, along with a link to my Pampered Chef consultant. Now, she is out west, but she can handle anything if you're in Canada. She can sign you up as a consultant yourself. She can help host your party online. She can answer your questions on anything Pampered Chef. If she doesn't know the answer right off the bat, she will find the answer for you. I cannot promote her enough. She is amazing when it comes to Pampered Chef. I will provide a link in the description box below to her. And if you're in Canada, please contact her. You won't be disappointed. This is my second party with her. So that tells you right there, I wouldn't go back if there was a problem, right? Okay, next. Ooh, next. Look at this. Okay. Let's get the bag open. Now this stuff is also good for Christmas gifts. If you're wondering what to get the person in your life for Christmas, Pampered Chef, you cannot go wrong. If they're into baking, if they do anything in the kitchen, there's a Pampered Chef product, right? that can help big time. This is the Pampered Chef Brownie Pan, item 1544, and it's got 12 individual wells, and it is perfect for brownies or any other kind of quick breads or treats or things you want separate. And especially for brownies if you love the corner pieces, because look, they're all corner pieces. This is going to be fantastic. Again, this will tell you exactly what you need to know for use and care. Preheat oven, reducing suggested recipe temperature by 25 Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius. Darker pans require slightly lower temperatures. All Pampered Chef recipes using this pan reflect the temperature reduction, so they've already taken that into account. But if you have a recipe that you prefer to use that doesn't come from Pampered Chef, you need to make the temperature reduction yourself in that recipe. For optimal 12 brownie yield, use 18.3 ounce or 519 gram package size. Smaller or larger mixes can be used and may yield slightly less or more than 12 brownies. So they're telling you this is how much this will hold. It's up to you whether you want to, you know, maybe save some mix, and after the one set has baked and cooled enough you can take them out, you can put the rest of the mix in, you know. Or you can get 2 of these. Same thing, right? So yeah. That is an awesome pan, and perfect for that apple spice bread. Apple spice beer bread. This actually comes with the holiday spatula as a kit for a holiday sampler pack, eh? Okay, so there we go. That's another one. Now, the rest of these are going to wait because they relate to the main deal here. Yes, we have reached that point. We have reached the point. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this. My last party, I was able to purchase my Deluxe Air Fryer from Pampered Chef. And let me tell you, that thing has taken over my kitchen. We use it a lot. And there are some meals and things we prefer in the air fryer now that we used to do in the oven. So this is this party's special item, okay? This party, I was able to get this, and it means that I'm going to be able to sell a couple of appliances and save my kitchen some space, because this one does it all. I can't wait. Okay, all right, we're here. Finally, get on with it, Susan. That's enough. All right, no more teasing. All right, I hear you. Here we go. Here we go. Ah! This is the Pampered Chef. Come on. Down you go. Down. Trying to get this to come out. Whoa! Look at this. Pampered Chef quick cooker. Okay, but it's more. It's more than a quick cooker. It does so much more. All right. Let's put that there. In there. Okay, so now we have it. All right. Da, 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 da. Unboxing time. Let's get cooking. It says it right on there. Let's get cooking. Wow. Getting started with your quick cooker. Make a meal in just 30 minutes. Love that. So that's like a quick start guide with one recipe. Wow, in a few languages. This is the quick cooker cooking guide. I got one like these with the air fryer, and it's specific to that machine. This it'll cover cooking times, sides, main dishes, desserts, safety tips, 3 easy ways to get started, best beans without soaking, easy to peel hard-boiled eggs, and simple salsa chicken. Goes through vegetables, steam rack, yes or no, time, prep, quantity, meat and poultry. It goes over everything, and it gives you some recipes to get you started. And there are more recipes on pamperedchef.ca, so you are never going to be lacking for things to do. And I have found with the air fryer, I have favorite recipes that I use over and over again. out of this book kind of thing. So I am, that looks good. Barbecued root beer ribs. Oh, I gotta try that. Homemade chili. Beef stew with Parmesan polenta. Pot roast with mashed potatoes. I love this idea. And quick cookers or instant pots, that kind of thing. Use the pressure to cook things like 70% faster. So it is totally understandable to get a meal in like 30 minutes, this stuff. I have been wanting one of these forever. Quick cooker reference guide. Keep that handy, okay? If there's stuff that are, until you get used to it, I'm sure. Once you get used to the buttons and how to use it, you won't need that in all the time. But wow, how to set it and everything. Searing, opening the lid. There's a troubleshooting section. You get so much information that you're guaranteed to have a good time because they've covered it all. Nice packing, styrofoam ring to keep it safe during transport. It's packaged around there. There is a bubble wrap on the cord and a warning on the cord. Spilled food causes serious accidents. Keep appliance and cord away from children. Never drape the cord over the edge of the counter. Never use outlet below counter. Never use extension cord. Well, that just stands to reason, right? Let's see this baby now. Okay, how do I get it out of here safely? I don't want to drop it or make a problem with it. Doing this with one hand, guys. Okay. Wow. This is going to look so awesome on my counter next to my air fryer. Like, so awesome. Look at this, guys. Oh. Stay tuned. There is going to be videos with this one. An initial features video once I figure them all out. And then recipe videos as I use it to cook dinners, etc. It has all of the stuff noted here for steam release, etc. to keep you safe. Whew. There are handles underneath from the bottom to pick it up and move it properly. This is awesome, guys. You can't imagine. This is like my air fryer all over again. Only it's so much different, right? This is a quick cooker, a slow cooker. You can sear things. You can do all kinds. It's 16 in 1, guys. Wait till you see the video showing off all these features. I can't go into them now. This is already getting to be a long video. Okay. But there are accessories for this as well. Let me put this down in the kitchen and I will show you the accessories that I passed over in the last box, because they pertain to this and I didn't want to give it away. Okay? Alright, now. Okay, let's see. This one. It's like Christmas, guys. I'm opening all these parcels and having a blast. Now I have to find space in my kitchen for all this new stuff. But as I said, I can get rid of my slow cooker and get some money back out of it. And save some space, etc. Alright, so in here is the lid. Quick cooker glass lid, okay? It's not microwave or outdoor grill safe, wash before using, like with everything. It's refrigerator safe and heat safe to 500 Fahrenheit. Used with Pampered Chef Quick Cooker only on the proof, slow cooker, or sear settings. All pressure cooking, use the lid that comes with the quick cooker. Don't use two lids at the same time. Well, duh, right? So this lid helps turn the quick cooker into a slow cooker. Two main functions that it does. You can also use it on the sear setting, because you're just using like a heating element. You're not under pressure, but it'll keep splatters down, right? You can also use it on proofing. If you're making something that has to proof and rise, you put this on and it'll hold the heat in and let it rise properly. So I had to have one of these, right? It extends the use of the quick cooker so much. Okay, so add all my papers in one spot here. And there's my lid. Okay. Mini oven mitts. I won't open these up because I did get a pair with my air fryer. So I won't open these because I'll keep them like this for a spare set for use when the other ones are a little worse for wear, which is going to be a long time down the road. I can guarantee you that. These things last forever. Pampered Chef stuff, oh, it's amazing, amazing products. I can't say enough about them. Well, the fact that I had 2 parties says a lot, right? In here we have quick cooker steamer baskets. Okay, these 2 baskets nest in each other, and what they do is allow you to cook steamed veggies. Okay, now veggies that are steamed have more nutrients in them than boiling or any other way of preparing them. Steaming is the ultimate way because it cooks the vegetable but leaves the nutrients in it, which is what you want, what you're eating veggies for in the first place. They have a handle that has silicone on it for heat proof, okay, to get out of the pot safely. There's a bigger one, and then there's a smaller one, depending on what you're making, what size you use, right? And they nest just like that. So you can still put stuff under here, put it in there. It's all mesh, so it'll get the steam either way. And make what you need to make. Whoa. Okay. This, we're almost there, guys. Almost. Wow. Okay. Let's get this opened. Okay. Whoa. Okay, this is a rack, okay? And what it holds, quick cooker wire cradle, okay? And it is item number 100047. Again, I'll list all these item numbers in the description box below. So if you find something, if you see something that you're like, hey, I gotta get one of those, the number will be there for you. So this wire cradle goes with the other piece that I haven't opened yet, and it's the last piece. Oh, wow. This is massive, guys. I am overwhelmed. But in a good way. In a good way. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. This is quick cooker ceramic pot. Okay. Item number 1000100049. So this is a ceramic pot that you use in the quick cooker. And what it does is it cradles, it sits in this cradle, okay, with handles that you can pull it out with. And there we go. Oh, I can't set it down there safely. All right, there it is. I need to get this one open. Oh, use only Pampered Chef authorized accessories in the quick cooker. Well, that stands to reason because they are made to work in that quick cooker environment. Do not lift the ceramic pot by the lid. This is the lid. It's synthetic. It's silicone. Duh. S word, Susan. Okay. Now, again, all of this stuff is going to have to be washed first. Alright. This is really cool. Okay, it's really, really flexible. It's silicone. It's got vent holes here. So it's going to reduce the steam, etc. that it's getting to build up. And it goes on the ceramic cooker. Come on. Okay. There we go. There we go. Pull it tight. And it sits on the ceramic pot like that. Okay? So yes, don't lift it by these because the ceramic is heavy. It's not going to endure that. It's going to fall and break on you. So be careful. But that sits in the wire rack. And you lift it like that out of the machine. And what this does is this allows you to cook a main item in the pot itself and cook your sides in the same pot, so you get a one pot dinner. And as a bonus, this will allow you to save it once it's cooled enough. Save any leftovers in the fridge. Just put the lid back on and, you know, there you go. This is so handy. All of this. With this quick cooker and all the pieces that I got, this is going to be fully functional and it's going to revolutionize my kitchen. I can't wait. Thank you very much for sticking with me through to the end. The quick cooker is amazing. Here, I'll show you. Look at that. There's my air fryer and my quick cooker right there beside each other. Yep. Okay. So there we go. They do look similar. This is just a little shorter than the air fryer. It's got the same sort of panel thing. Very easy. 16 presets. Fish, seafood, soup stock, stew or chili, beef or pork, chicken, poultry like turkey, white rice, brown rice, whole grains, sear, steam, slow cook, proof, keep warm, delays, timings, pressures. Oh, I have a lot to learn, guys. I have a lot to learn about this one. But I am going to enjoy it thoroughly, and I assume it's going to join the air fryer on my counter as a regular item that I'm going to have here, but it is so worth it. I am so thrilled. Anyway, thank you again for watching. and sticking with me through to the end. I hope you'll get in touch with Bonny Sanderson, my PC consultant extraordinaire. Okay? All the stuff you need is in the description box below. And stay tuned for more videos with these. As I do things with the products, I will make sure to video it and show you how it all works so wonderfully. And happy cooking, guys. Happy Pampered Chef Day. Yay! Thanks again. Bye for now.